Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This feels so weird. It has been a few years since I have been on YouTube here. I kind of wanted to just like get back in the swing of like making YouTube videos and just see how I feel about it. I kind of just left for multiple reasons, which I might explain why in the next video if I decide to do one. I just thought I would do something really basic, something that I wear every single day just to get back into the swing of things. So I had done a poll on Instagram a few days ago asking if you guys would want me to do a tutorial with the Jaclyn Hill palette or a tutorial with a pop of yellow in the inner corner, because I have been loving that pop of yellow one. So I'm going to do that hopefully the next video, but I just thought I would do something really basic, something that I wear every day just to get back into the swing of things on YouTube. So today I'm going to show you how I get my super glowy, dewy, fresh looking skin. I wear this every single day. It's super easy, long lasting, and I love it. So yeah, if you guys want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. So the first thing I do is always moisturize my lips, and I love the First Aid Beauty Lip Repair. Then I'm going to go in with an eye cream. I always use an eye cream in the morning. This is the Origins Eye Doctor eye cream. It's just a moisturizing one. I'm really not too picky with my eye creams. I just kind of pick whatever is anti-aging and moisturizing. And then I picked up this sample from Sephora. It's the Peter Thomas Roth Potency Power Serum, and I have been loving this. So I always apply this before my moisturizer. I just feel like it's helped with redness in my skin and also with any scarring from any acne, which is really awesome. Then I'm going to go in and moisturize my skin using the Drunk Elephant Protini Polypeptide Cream. This is an awesome lightweight moisturizer, and I just feel like it makes my skin feel so soft and supple, and I have been loving it, so I need to pick up the full size of that as well. So now that our skin is all prepped, we can move on to making our skin nice and glowy. So I am going to be using the MAC Strobe Cream. This is in Goldlite. So it does have more of a gold undertone to it. I basically just apply it on the high points of my face, so on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, all over my forehead, and on my chin. And this just peeks through the foundation and makes it look absolutely stunning and really, really glowy. Then I'm going to go in with foundation, and I love the IT Cosmetics CC Cream Your Skin But Better. This one is the illuminating one. There's a couple different ones. So I just go in and apply it with a brush first because I feel like it's the fastest way. And then I just blend it in further with my beauty blender. I feel like if I just use a brush, it can look very streaky. So I like to go in with the brush first and then finish it off with the beauty blender. So for my brows, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Brow Definer. Honestly, I'm just going to go through this really quickly. I basically just do hair-like strokes, and when I get to the arch of my brow, I just kind of overdraw it a little bit. There's really not much to it. My brows usually take me like maybe 2-3 minutes. For my concealer, I'm first going to go in with the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is in the color Porcelain, which it looks very dark for porcelain, but I'm just going to apply this down the center of my face, and then I like to combine it with the Tarte Shape Tape. This is in Fair Neutral. I just find that these go pretty well together. I do like the Too Faced Born This Way Coconut Water Concealer a little bit better with the Tarte one, but this is just what I have right now, so I might as well use them up. So just apply it in the center of my face, and then I go in with my beauty blender and just blend everything out. Then I do the exact same thing under my eyes. I just do the Too Faced one first, and then I go over top of it with the Tarte one, and again just using my beauty blender, just going ahead and blending everything out. I'm just going to go ahead and set my eyelids. I'm just using a translucent setting powder. I don't really prime my lids anymore because I don't really feel like I need it. Then I'm going to take the Laura Mercier. This is a translucent setting powder, but it's the glow one. I just got this one. It's pretty good. I just take it on a damp beauty blender and just pack it under my eyes. And then I just take a brush and go over top of it as well, just because I don't like to pack too much powder on my face. So I feel like this just kind of dusts it on. And then I go in with that same powder with a big brush and just dust that all over my face to set it. But this really adds to that glowy effect. Then I'm taking the Cover FX drops. This is in the color Moonlight, and I am applying this basically everywhere that I had applied that strobe cream. Same thing. So we are going on the high points of the face, and then I just go in with my finger and blend it in, and this looks even more beautiful. So we're just adding a lot of layers of glowy products that peek through the foundation and through the powder highlight, and it just really makes everything pop. Then I'm just going to take that same big fluffy brush and just bronze up my face. I honestly can't even remember what bronzer I used. I think it was the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. But yeah, I basically just go along the contours of my face, so in my cheekbones, along my forehead, and then along my jawline as well. Next, we're going to go in with a powder highlight. My favorite is the Anastasia and Nicole Glow Kit, and that gold color at the bottom, as you can see, it's very much loved. It's in the color Glow Getter. And we're basically just applying it to all the places we applied that Cover FX. So along the nose, tip of the nose, Cupid's bow, chin, along my forehead. And then I just like to take a bigger brush and go along my cheekbones. And you can see that this highlight pops so much. It is so gorgeous, and I love it. For blush, I'm going to go in with Benefit Coralista. This has been one of my favorite for years. It's just the perfect peachy coral blush. I love it. So I'm applying it to the apples of my cheeks and then just blending it back towards my hairline. Then I just like to take a little bit of that highlight and apply it to my brow bone, and then a little bit on the inner corner of the eyes as well. I always like to finish my makeup look with some sort of setting spray. So this is the Bare Minerals, I think it's like the Dewy Mist. I just got samples of it from Sephora, and I'm just spraying my face with it. I just feel like this helps make the powder look not so powdery. And then for my lips, honestly, I usually just use chapstick, but today I'm going in with the MAC and Samantha Ravindal, I think that's her last name, lipstick, and just applying that to my lips. And yeah, that is it for this look. As you can see, I applied some fake lashes and a little bit of bronzer in my crease just for some definition. But yeah, that is it for this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and remember to subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye!